for the dashboard. This area that you're seeing here, basically this is what loads first when you open up WordPress. So basically there's a couple widgets, and these are each called widgets that you're going to be seeing. First, we have the WooCommerce status, which gives you the total of your net sales for the month, top selling, if there's any orders awaiting to be processed, which ones are out of stock, low in stock, etc. Site health basically looks at the security aspects. Some of these are bogus that we actually can't do. There's one thing that you'll see possibly as a suggestion, which is minification. Minification cannot occur. So as long as this isn't red, I check it periodically, it's fine. This is the MailChimp lists status or stats, and this is telling us how many people are in our total list, the subscription rate per month, the unsubscribe rate, and the open rate and click rate, which these two numbers, the 25 and the 1.94, are actually really good. You can expand and collapse them. You can drag and drop them. Okay. This is the Site Kit summary, which is Google Site Kit. So these are Google statistics that are being piped in. Like I was telling you guys yesterday, we want to see them on the upswing usually. We never want them on the downswing. These are the top pages, and that's really all that's telling you. The Yoast SEO can be collapsed. That's no big deal. These are your best point rewards, your big spenders, and the big earners, right? Usually they're the same. Jetpack stats. Real quick, this is for the loyalty program that we have going on. Okay, so each product has a point value which they can redeem for coupons. These are the Jetpack stats, which is in connection with Google, and it's just telling us how many views, how many visitors, views per visitor, that type of thing. We want that high. We want the people to go through the website, look at different products, that type of thing. Then this is WordFence, which is the security for the website. So it's just telling me that these in general for WordFence, not us. Okay, these are the top 5 IPs that are blocked, countries that are blocked. Now this one is the top 5 failed logins, okay, that they're trying to bust through using different logins. And Alex, note, someone was trying to use admin, right? So even username, right? They're just trying to gain access anyway by using a bot. All right, so that's the dashboard. And then on the left-hand side here, we have a navigation, right? Let me close that so you're not confused by it. So Google Sitekit, if we go into the Site Kit itself, it gives us a deeper breakdown of the stats from Google. Avada is the theme for the website. WordPress is the architecture. The style and look of the website is created by Avada. Once in a while, you'll see a green indicator here, which is telling you that you have to go and patch the website. Okay, it'll look something like that. And basically, what they do is they release fixes for problems on the website. Here's Jetpack. Again, this is user stats, things like that. This is their landing page for all their different products. But if you go into it, like in the dashboard, you can see the different stats. Don't connect to WordPress.com. Okay. Then posts. These are the blog posts that are up. Okay. Media. That's the media library where we have all of the images. Pages. Those are the pages of the website, like homepage, about us, account, blog, etc. At one point, I was doing brand pages. That's what this is, Dr. Zodiac's Moonrock. That was a brand page that I was developing. Comments are disabled because people are stupid. Portfolio is not utilized. FAQ is not utilized. Feedback is not utilized. WooCommerce, we know what WooCommerce is. That's our shopping cart system. When you click on WooCommerce, it takes you to home, which will tell you basic information about what's going on. And we usually don't use this. We go directly into WooCommerce or whatever, right? Which is orders, that type of thing. These are different plugins. Well, let me say it this way. This is a plugin that establishes the minimum order for the website. Here's $20. Here's the customer list. Okay. What they spent. Woo, damn. Darlene Davis has already spent $13,000. Holy fuck. She's relatively new. In 1 year she dropped 13 grand. Holy cow. 10,000 for Francisco. Wow. That's pretty wild. Okay, so then we have checkouts that you don't need to worry about. Reports you don't need to worry about. All of these things you don't need to worry about. Products. This is where you'll find all of the existing products. Right? There's two places, Autumn and then products. If you need to get into the raw product, that's here. Okay, which basically looks like this. Okay, that's the product. We were looking at that yesterday. Alex, you were creating products. Now, I'm going to jump over to Autumn real quick and Stock Central. We know what this looks like, right? This is basically the same list as products, right? But it has the ability to edit simply, okay? Whereas with the product, you have to go deep into it. So if I click on that Sunrocks, it takes me to the product, okay? So there's two ways that you can get to your products. All right, now let's go back up to products, and here are categories. These are the various categories that we have, blunts, bulk. I started adding text for the SEO. I'm going to continue to do that. So you'll see some of these that are like blown out like this, right? Because the WordPress format sucks. So it lists it like this. Coupons category. Everything. If I skip over stuff, it's because you don't need to worry about it. It's extra shit. All right, this is the advanced coupon. All right, these are the coupons that we're currently using. Here are the different ones that we've created, but actually it's not picking up. This isn't working correctly, okay? Because I know for a fact people use this, the 420 anniversary. This right here is a personal coupon that someone generated by using their points with 0 uses. So this is not calculating correctly. I would not look at this area for coupon usage. This is the coupon area where we create the coupons, and see right here, these are the people that have used those different coupons. I'm going to get into this in depth, so I'm just covering this side of the navigation for you in this video. Okay, so payments you don't have to worry about either. That's basically Woo payments, which we don't use. Invoice packing we don't use. Password protected. This is a plugin specifically for the mushrooms. The password to the mushrooms is magic, either capitalized or not capitalized. Either will work. This is the analytics section. Okay, this is a good place to go to see how you're doing. It tells you about performance, that type of thing. Um, it's it's dependent upon how you're actually searching, that type of thing. So you could search for products, items sold, revenue, that type of thing, orders. Okay, variations, etc., categories, that type of thing. This is autumn inventory. This will basically tell you, it's not 100%, but it will give you a stock value of what's in the system. This is actually thrown off because of the flour. The flour is a variable product that we're not tracking exact. So we have, like 50 grams, 52 grams, 53 grams, 54 grams. In all honesty, I would say stock value is probably more around 23,000 than what this is here. Okay. Also, we don't have 1,488 items in stock. That's because of the flour having multiple items, so it throws this off. How this would work, like you're probably thinking, well, why is it throwing it off, Mike? This is designed for like a t-shirt, right, where you're not selling from a basket of items, right, or like a jar in our case. It would be effective if I had extra large shirts, medium shirts, small shirts, because all of those are individual. They would be counted as individual, so that's why it's programmed this way. Okay, this is Stock Central. This is should be familiar to you. Purchase orders and the rest we don't utilize. Marketing. This is basically the coupon reiterated. That's all it is. And the landing page basically encourages you to try other types of marketing, but it is simply just where the coupons live now. That's it. There's two places to access coupons. Coupons under marketing, and then coupons. They were supposed to take this coupon out, but they never did. I'm not sure why. Appearance. So as I said before, here's where your theme is. We use the Avada theme. Okay, this is a licensed theme that has updates that will come regularly, which I'll show you how to do an update. Okay, all of this you don't need to worry about. Yet, this connects us to MailChimp. This connects to the points and rewards system. That's it. Okay, these are plugins. Here's a list of all of our installed plugins that we're utilizing. From time to time, you'll need to update these. It'll either be listed here that you need to check here and update, or it will be listed up in the dashboard updates. I will take you through an update at the end of this video. Really, you don't need to worry about any of this. I'm just taking you through because you're owning the website and you need to know. All users. This is where all the users are kept. If you want to look at who's the administrator, you click on admin and that's it. These are your that's correct. Okay. So these are your admins. And then Advanced Woo Search. This is also a plugin that you don't need to worry about. It's already set up. You'll never need to do anything. Tools, you will never utilize this. settings. You will never utilize this. One thing that I do want to cover is in appearance, customize. Okay, you will use this, and you will specifically use WooCommerce store notice. Okay, so what I'm going to type here is new customers get up to 1/4 ounce free. Okay, that's typically our FTP, our first time patient deal. It's based off how much they purchase. Okay, so once I do that, it updates. Okay, so tools, SEO Yoast, already programmed, you don't need to worry about. WP Vivid Backup, you do not need to worry about. And the rest of these, you do not need to worry about. From time to time, I'll go in and I'll run the WP Optimize, which basically cleans up the database, dumps the cache. Never, ever, 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 ever minify. Okay? Never minify. Smush is to reduce the file size of the images. This is already set up automatically so that when you upload the image into the media library, it does it automatically. All right, let's do an update real quick and that will conclude this video. So I'm going into the dashboard updates. Here we have 3 different areas for updates, okay? If you have a WordPress update, it will be here, okay? If something goes wrong, call me. I wouldn't ever reinstall the current version of WordPress unless something was buggy and I'm doing it, okay? The plugins, very easy to do, okay? You just select them, click update plugins. Now there's 3 plugins that will never update: the WooCommerce checkout, the WooCommerce distance rate shipping, and then the credit card. It's like WooCommerce credit card or something like that. So you'll see it in here. So we hit select all, update plugins, and it will take you through the process. And if a plugin fails, it will tell you. Okay, so we had 2 errors, right? It's these red ones. I was expecting that. And basically, it's saying that there is no valid URL for that download, meaning there is no update for this one and this one. Okay, so this is something that is reoccurring because we don't really. This is the other one: WooCommerce offline credit card processing. These 3 will never update. Okay, if you have theme updates, they'll be here. For the first 6 months, I'll be handling all of this, so you don't have to worry about it at all. Okay, so that being said, that was your WordPress walkthrough. If you have any questions, let me know.